vibe of the river walk in San Antonio when places like this exist? Let me show you. We all know I'm a little bit of a sucker for really cool mine reclamation, and this one, I mean, stunning. The Japanese tea garden here at Brackenridge Park is actually part of a beautification effort of an old limestone quarry here. And this is really cool because the limestone quarries from this era were similar to the ones that built the Alamo. So that's a really cool connection, but really just a beautiful spot.